This is Jules, and this is my test kitchen. Today we are making star homemade popsicles using the popular ice molds by Xpassion. So I'm just filling some with, some strawberry pieces, or chunks of strawberries, because I'm making coconut water fruit ones, and then 2 adult ones that, are for adults. Has adult stuff in. So you can make all sorts of ones. You can use yogurt, fruit juices, different fruits. I just had strawberries on hand, so just filling up the popsicle molds. So in this one I have coconut water, so I'm just filling it like that. Fill it all the way to the top, the coconut water, like so. And then you put the little star handles with the popsicle stick in. And you just go like this. And then you stick them into your freezer and let them freeze overnight. And for the sake of video magic, I already have 2 done. So you just pop the top off the mold, kind of work it loose. Give me a sec. Work the popsicle out, and you have a homemade popsicle. Yum! This is coconut strawberry, coconut milk. So this is what the coconut milk ones will look like, the coconut water ones. That's it. Thanks for coming to my test kitchen. Bye!